I think just the whole process of working with Quadrant, I think it's been really great from the beginning to end. I think we only decided only a few weeks ago that we actually wanted to have this stand. We were going to take part in the event in the first place. It was a last minute, let's just go for it. We needed a stand. We wanted something that was going to be impactful. When I spoke to Tracy initially, she was very good at explaining how the whole process worked. And as soon as we decided, the process of going through the design and getting what we wanted was really seamless. So it was fantastic to work with that team as well. And I think going forward, it allows us to build on it if we want to, and I know they've got the confidence in the company to be able to help us grow as well.
Everybody's so friendly, you know, looking after us. Quadrant is so easy to work with, like from the get-go, you know, and the designs were done in like literally a day or two, and then we were like, wow. So we had like other people in line, but you guys just like came back straight away, and we were like, and we couldn't look past it, and we was like, this is exactly what we want, and it was just, let's go from there.
Do you want to tell me a little about Silverbacks?
Yeah, okay, so we've been running for this is our third year. So predominantly we're all about event structures. So whether it's stretch tents, truss structures, temporary structures, we're about creating solutions. So it's not just about having something on the shelf that we can just provide you. You come to us with a problem and we'll come up with a solution for you, whether we have it in stock or whether we can source it. We've been in the industry so long that we've got lots of contacts that if it's something that you need, we'll go out, get it, and we can build it for you, because we can pretty much build anything, because that's what we've been doing for the last 20 odd years. So this is the first time we're actually attending the Showman Show, which is based in Newbury. So it's event suppliers event, I guess. So lots of suppliers that actually help events will be there, whether it's structures, whether it's power, predominantly for outdoor events. So it's the first time we've been. We've attended as guests before, but it's the first time we've actually exhibited. So we're quite looking forward to showcasing what we offer. And it's the first time, so hopefully it'll be a success. Yeah, so the biggest thing for us is brand awareness more than anything. So being relatively new, there's obviously lots of people who do similar things to what we do, who've been in the industry for quite a long time. So it's more about getting our brand out there and people actually seeing that we're in the industry, and we're also key players in the industry as well, for people to come and chat to us to see if we can help them.
Going to be the start of something new for us. You know, we're trying to win some more business and getting our brand out there so people are more aware of us. And I'm sure with the design that you guys come up with us, I don't think somebody's going to walk past. Let's hope. And then you never know. Bigger and better. Let's go.
Yes.
That
Two
in, yeah?
here. Yes.
That way?
That way. Yep. When you're pushing, just try to wiggle it, like up and down, left and right.
Greg was amazing. Such a good teacher. Yeah. And it was so easy. Yeah. Literally anybody can do it. It's so good. Yeah. It's such a good design.
Yeah, really good to work with. You know, we build stuff all the time. It's part of what we do. Obviously, this is something slightly different, but really good to be guided in that way. But I think we'll be all right next week. He's done a good job.
I'm going to be honest, much easier than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it's such a good design. Anybody can literally do it. It's so good. Yeah, you guys and the prints have come out just amazing. I mean, it's just unbelievable. Yeah. No, so good. So happy. So happy. Thank you.
Really great. It's great to actually see it before we're doing it. Obviously, we're going to build the stand ourselves, so it's good to understand how it works. But being looked after and shown step by step is going to make it a lot easier on the day for us next week. But also really good to see what it feels like before we actually get there, to feel the space, what we can do with it, how our products are going to sit as well. So yeah, it's a really good experience.
Are we doing mag balls at the top? Or?
Yeah, across the top. So yeah, you can grab. Yes, that's the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, good one.
What's really sticking out?
So we love the stand. It's brilliant. It's much better than we actually saw on the screens and the sort of printed version, I guess.
I love the stand. It's safe to say. Absolutely love it. No, we're gonna smash it. I'm sure people are gonna walk past and like look at our gorilla and like, wow. You know what I mean? Yeah. No. Thank you so much. So good. More than what we expected. Absolutely. Yeah, no, it's so good.
It's much better to see this in real life. Seeing something on screen when we're designing it, it's great to see. You think you've done the right thing, but until you actually see something in real life, it's really difficult to really understand how good it's going to look. But we're really pleased with it. It's really impactful. The images have come out really well, very clear. So we're looking forward to it being on the stand next week. It's a great idea. Like, it's really good to be able to have that space, understand what all the elements are, have it all laid out before you, so you can then understand each part of it. And the experience of being guided through the whole step to understand the little key areas that you probably wouldn't know if you weren't shown in advance. So it will make it a lot easier for us next week. But it's good to also see other people's stands and see what potential and how you can grow. I know we haven't done it yet, but it's already given us ideas about what we might like to do if we go to other exhibits in the future.
Absolutely. So, of course, we're already planning like other shows next year, and then we can, like you say, we can use this, add to it, take away from it, change something, and it's so easy, so versatile. Such a good design, again.